Good day everyone. Today we have SXC8. It's a 2015 KAESER 5.5 kilowatts up to 15 bars. This compressor is very well preserved and on low hours it's around 4,700 hours in total. But interesting thing about this compressor is that it's a 15 bars compressor. Air receiver is also, and it's a best KAESER compact edition. Down below you have a air dryer. Let's check the other side. That's the air dryer. This side has a eco drain device, and back there you have air receiver, a volume of 250 liters, and this front side is the screw compressor. So the compressor is on 7.4 bars. The current setup pressure, it's I think, let's see, it's 8 bars current settings. I will release some pressure from the air receiver and the compressor will start and see how it builds pressure. So it's a 4.4 bars. Let's start the compressor. This compressor is really silent. Let's check the inside of the machine. Everything looks smooth. It's recently serviced. It's already 6 bars. These machines are very well built, and this is on low hours. So I suggest you don't miss this item if you need a 15 bars screw compressor. That's the air dryer clicking. We have current settings to 8 bars. 7.367. That's the 8 bars. Let's check the manual gauge in the air receiver. So if you need a 15 bar screw air compressor, this is your best item. So don't miss this item. It's low on hours, it's recently serviced, and it's ready to go. Thank you and good luck on your bits.